Listen! The loud ship horn is blowing in the harbor. Oh no! Look at the time! We are very late! Wake up, everyone! We will miss the beautiful cruise ship!
Why did the morning alarm clock not ring today?
I cannot find the keys anywhere in this room.
The large cruise ship leaves the harbor at 9:30. We only have 45 minutes left to reach the docks.
Hurry up, children. Put on your shoes right now.
Do not forget to pack your small travel bags quickly.
Let us run downstairs to the family car immediately.
We must leave the house before it is too late.
Fasten your seatbelts tightly, everyone. I am driving now.
Look outside the front window. There is a small traffic jam. I will eat a quick breakfast from my bento box.
Oh no! The traffic is completely stopped on this lane.
Do not worry. I know a fast shortcut street here.
Thank goodness. I can see the blue sea harbour ahead.
Grab the large travel bags and let us run fast. We have arrived at the cruise check-in desk on time.
We are joining this cruise. Are we too late to board?
Good morning, family. May I see your cruise tickets, please?
Oh no! I do not remember where I put them.
Did you leave the important paper tickets at home, Ben?
Are we going to miss our big holiday cruise ship? Listen! The loud ship horn is blowing in the harbor.
Wait, I put them inside this small jacket pocket layer.
Here are all 4 tickets. We are perfectly safe now.
Wonderful. Please walk onto the holiday ship deck immediately.
Let us walk up the boarding ramp with our bags.
Yes! This is it! Absolutely perfect!
Woohoo! We are finally standing inside this giant cruise ship. The blue sea is so massive and looks very beautiful.
My heart had a much bigger trip than this ship.
What a completely messy and stressful morning we had today.
Everything is all right now because the family is here together.
Thank you, Lily. You woke us up on time today.
Not at all, Mother. I just checked the big clock.
And thank you, Ben. You found the tickets safely.
We must always prepare our travel bags early before trips.
A good early preparation makes every holiday trip much happier and smoother. The sticky liquid is turning hard very fast. I want to fix my favorite toy castle today. The front gate is completely broken and loose. Let us search this deep kitchen drawer now. Here is a small tube of strong glue. I am carrying this useful tool to the table.
I am reading a very interesting book here.
Father is very busy, so I will work alone. The wooden table is a good place to work. I must align these plastic towers together carefully. I am ready to use the strong glue now. I will unscrew the white plastic nozzle slowly. I need to squeeze the yellow tube gently.
Oh no! Too much liquid is pouring out.
The sticky liquid is turning hard very fast. I cannot lift my right hand from table. My hand is completely stuck to the wood.
I am very scared because I am trapped.
Father, please help me. My hand is stuck.
What is that loud cry from the kitchen? Let me see what happened to your hand. This sticky glue is incredibly strong and hard. The tube has an important warning text label. I know how to dissolve this chemical bond.
I must turn on the hot water tap. This blue basin will hold the warm water.
The liquid soap will make many white bubbles.
I am carrying the warm water to you.
Put the soapy bowl next to your hand. I will pour the warm water over skin.
The warm water feels very nice and good.
The white bubbles are softening the hard glue.
Try to wiggle your fingers very slowly now.
Look, my right hand is completely free now. I am so happy my skin is safe.
Children must always use strong glue with adults.
You did a wonderful job helping her, Ben.
Playing safely keeps our entire family happy today.